closet held a secret in a box I haven't seen. A faded patch of sunshine where the memories convene. I hold the soft wool up and trace a single thread, a quiet little anchor to the words she always said. Every stitch a promise, every loop a gentle prayer for the little boy who played without a single care. She was sitting by the window with the needles clicking low, the purest kind of love that I would ever know. Now the years have turned the page, and I miss that tender hand, but the sweater's in my hands, a warmth I understand. I remember being happy with a pebble or a stone, a simple kind of magic I could call my very own. She was the steady constant, the quiet safe refrain, sheltering my childhood from the cold and from the rain. Every stitch a promise, every loop a gentle prayer for the little boy who played without a single care. She was sitting by the window with the needles clicking low, the purest kind of love that I would ever know. Now the years have turned the page, and I miss that tender hand, but the sweater's in my hands, a warmth I understand. I've grown into a man with a mind full of the rush, trying to find the quiet in the constant modern crush. But this old wall reminds me that the best things didn't fade, they were simply made with love in the quiet shade. Just a little wool, just a stitch or two, Grandma's love lives on, and that is true. Covered softly, the glass is hazy cool. The world outside is waiting, following its morning rule. But the air inside is warmer, still catching sleep's last breath. I cling to the sensation before the day means death. To the magic, there's a fog on the window, for the light. It blends the sharp reality and makes the colors bright. I carry that strange feeling, the logic I can't name. It tells me that the heavy day is just a gentle game. The soft piano whispers, you can face the world today. I remember the strange journey, the faces that were clear. They didn't make much sense, but they washed away the fear. I don't need to recall it, every single one.